Math for me is like an enigma. I think math can be treated as great fun. People are petrified about it. So, what I'm going to tell a kid is just addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I'm a teacher today, let me say. Quite a few times actually, but the best part was once I stood out and I started playing football with a water bottle that was lying over there. The two of us were standing outside playing football, and so that was taken as a huge offense. Anyway, let's not talk about it thereafter. Freedom and freedom of expression, freedom of thought, and freedom to dream. Dream big, I tell you. If you dream big, it's only then that you can actually achieve it. There was this big class of mine that I was a part of once, and this teacher, I was a kid then. So this teacher had come and she had to go out for some work. So she told us that do not talk. I'll be back in a tick. By the time we were all in the middle of some pandemonium, and I was no exception to that. And then she came in, we were all quiet. She said that just raise your hands, whoever talked. I hadn't raised my hand. I thought she'd punish us like no one's business. She said that whoever talked today and did raise their hands, the page inside your heart remains spotless. But whoever talked and did not raise their hands, there's one small spot, and that's a blemish that is there on that page. So from now on, think about it when you lie. I think that was the fondest memory of my life as a student. So for me, ask more, learn more, and just have fun. Have a lot of enjoyment when you're doing it. You might not get it right all the time, but it doesn't matter. As long as you're trying really hard, that's what matters. I'm Koushik. Come learn with me at Openhouse.